Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create rules in a Discord server. First, go to your Discord app. Let's create a server first. To do so, click on Add a server from your server list. Click on Create My Own. Then click on Skip this question. Enter your server name and click on Create. As you can see, our server has been created. Now click on the down arrow right next to your server name on the top left. Go to Server Settings. Click on Enable Community from your left panel. Now select Get Started. Select the given options and click on Next. Now set the rules and guidelines of the channel according to your preferences. Click on Next to continue. Lastly, click on I agree and understand. Then click on Finish Setup. Click on the cross icon on your top right to close this tab. As you can see, the option of rules is on your left panel. Click on the small settings icon right next to it. Now click on Permissions. Here you can set the roles and members. Click on the tick icon right next to the settings which you want to allow. Once you're all done, click on Save Changes. After that, close this tab and go back. Your rules have been created. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.